In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best casserole dish. So let's get started.
Hi, if you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 7. Fancy Panz Portable Casserole. An affordable find that's perfect for parties, the Fancy Panz casserole dish doubles as a portable carrier. It comes with standard-sized foil pans for baking and a sleek casserole dish designed to protect the disposable pan for easy transport. Ideal for indoor or outdoor potlucks, the Smart Pan lets you bring a home-cooked side or main dish anywhere. Plus, you can easily toss the foil when the party's over or share leftovers with the host without fretting over when you'll see your casserole dish again. My new favorite thing for parties, one Amazon reviewer wrote. I have had loads of compliments, and it is really a useful thing. No more spills, and it is attractive on the table. Number 6. Cuisinart CI 1136-24CR. It's no secret that Cuisinart is a go-to brand when it comes to cookware and other kitchen essentials, and this casserole dish lives up to the brand's stellar reputation. The roasting pan comes in a sharp red color and is made of porcelain enameled material with a cast iron construction to retain heat and withstand high temperatures. It's durable, dishwasher safe, and stylish enough to place on the table to serve up a side or main dish. Plus, you can't beat the reasonable price. Works like a charm, one Amazon reviewer wrote. Number 5. Amazon Basics Enameled Cast Iron. Suitable for the oven or stovetop, this cast iron covered casserole skillet can do it all. The enamel finish protects the dish, while side handles allow you to move the skillet comfortably. With 8 bold colors to choose from, there's a look to fit in with any style. The only draw is that it's hand wash only, however, Amazon reviewers don't seem to mind. It currently has a perfect 5-star rating from its modest number of reviewers. Number 4. CorningWare French White. Iconic cookware brand CorningWare continues to offer casserole dishes in its classic style, including this 2.5 quart oval piece. The ribbed white dish and glass top go with any tableware, and the design has proven to stand the test of time. You can trust the stoneware dish will hold up in the dishwasher, refrigerator, freezer, and microwave for simple cooking and cleaning. It's a high-quality, durable product that easily transitions from the kitchen to a well-set table, according to reviewers. Number 3. Lodge Enamel Cast Iron. This casserole dish was built to fulfill all of your cooking needs. It seamlessly goes from the oven to the broiler to the stove depending on what recipe you decide to tackle, and the enameled iron is incredibly durable. It's also designed to retain heat and warm food evenly throughout the dish. While you can easily pop it in the dishwasher, hand washing the cookware will help maintain its original appearance. This large cast iron casserole dish goes from stove to oven like a champ, is very heavy duty, and cleans up great, one Amazon reviewer noted. Number 2. Le Creuset Heritage Covered. A sale on Le Creuset is not to be ignored, and this is a good one. The covered oval casserole dish holds 4 quarts of food, looks stylish, and is 18% off to boot. Like all Le Creuset products, it's made of durable stoneware and enamel to evenly warm food and protect against scratches or stains. A glazed interior also makes cleanup a breeze. Choose from 4 elegant colorways including Marseille Blue, Cherry Red, and White. Number 1. Pyrex Deep Baking Dish Set. Clear glass doesn't quite have the aesthetic appeal of most of the casserole dishes on our list, but in terms of functionality for the price, it doesn't get better than this set from trusted glass manufacturer Pyrex. It includes 3 sizes of casserole pans, a 13x 9-inch, 8x 8-inch, and 7x 11-inch options, with corresponding plastic lids. Each dish is 50% deeper than the original Pyrex Basics dishes, allowing for you to make more stuffing, casserole, or lasagna in one go. The tempered glass is safe for the microwave, preheated oven, and freezer. And though the glass may look basic, it does have advantages too. You can see whether your masterpiece is getting bubbly and ready to hit the table. The lids also make it convenient to carry your casserole to a party or store leftovers in your refrigerator.